Hello dear student, welcome back to English class. Yes dear students, in today's class we are going to learn a new poem. Name of the poem is The Dark. Yes, name of the poem is The Dark, which is written by James Carter. See here, James Carter. So, just to observe this picture, what you can see in this picture? Yes, a night, yes, see, which time is there? Night time is there. Because you can see here, moon, star, then this one boy, he just slept. Yes or no? He was just taking that blanket and he just slept. So he just scared about it. Why? So we have to see. Everybody just scared about darkness. Yes or no? So here, happiness that denotes the night. Happiness, okay? And sadness denote the dark. Yes. So here, sadness means here they told night, sadness. In our mind, lots of thinkings will become. Yes or no? This is the darkness. Yes, we are getting afraid. When suppose, see here, dark. Dark means what here? See, scientists have proved. What they proved? See, in our body, we need heal our body. See, we are sleeping. How many hours we are sleeping? So, minimum 8 hours sleep is very important. Yes, because in whole day we are working, we are doing some activity and things. So, our body is getting healed. So, for taking a rest, we want rest for our body. So, sleep also very important. Yes. So, here scientists proved that our body, at least they want how many hours? 8 hours sleep. Yes. So, light and darkness, they are equally important even in our life. Yes, only darkness, so we can create negativity in our mind. But light, if light is there means we are getting happy. Yes, so positive energy we are getting from the light, and then in darkness, our whole thinking, our body, it should be stuck there. So, here warm-up activity what they told. Look at this picture. What does a night like this makes you feel? What do you associate with a dark and eerie night? See, here, night is completely dark. Yes, so how do you feel? When darkness is there, how do you feel? Yes, some of you are getting scared. Yes or no? So, sometimes suddenly light went means what you are doing? Yes, you are calling to your mother, father, hey, where are you? I am getting, or I am just scared. You come. Yes or no? So, as usual, all are just getting afraid or fear from darkness. So, here dark and eerie. See, eerie night means what? Eerie night. So, here eerie night means very dark. Yes. So, here, suppose, now you just think, yes, we have the street lights, yes or no? But if suddenly lights goes, how do you feel? You get scared now? Yes. Then you are calling mommy, papa. Got it? So this is all related of this dark. How dark is. And this small child, what he is thinking about the dark. Got it? Just I will read every stanza, then one by one I will explain. Why are we so afraid of the dark? It doesn't bite and doesn't bark, or chase old ladies round the park, or steal your sweeties for a lark. And though it might not let you see, it lets you have some privacy, and gives you time to go to sleep, provides a place to hide or weep. It cannot help but be around when beastly things make beastly sound. When back doors slam and windows creak, when cats have fight and voices shriek. The dark is cozy, still and calm, and never does you any harm. In the loft below the sink, it's somewhere nice and quiet to think. Deep in cupboards, pockets too, it's always lurking out of view. Why won't it come out till it's night? Perhaps the dark's afraid of light. See, this, see small child, he is thinking about the darkness. What he is thinking? Why are we so afraid of dark? He is telling that. Why are we so afraid? Why we are getting scared about the dark? What is the reason? Yes, it doesn't bite and doesn't bark. This night will bark? No. This night will bite? No. So it doesn't bite and doesn't bark. Why we are getting afraid? Or chase old ladies around the park. Even this chase means what? Just go away, okay, run away from there. So these dark, it will not chase the ladies, old ladies around the park who was walking around the park. It will not chase to them. Or steal your sweeties for a lark. Steal your sweeties means steal your sweeties. Sweeties means sweet. Sweet. And for a lark means what? For a joke. For a joke. For a joke that is not intended to cause serious harm. Serious harm or damage. So this night will doesn't bark, it doesn't bite, but also we are getting afraid of dark. Yes or no? Yes. So this poet is telling, so it is not chasing the old ladies who are walking in the park, who are walking in the night in the park. It will not tease, it will not chase. Even for lark means prank, okay, pranking, like joking. So it will not make a joke of those ladies. But why we afraid of that? Next stanza. And though it might not let you see, it lets you have some privacy and gives you time to go to sleep, provides a place to hide or weep. So, and though it might not let you see, means out time we can't analyze what we do. Whole day, see, whole day we can't analyze that what we have to do. So, it helps us, it lets you have some privacy. It helps us, it is giving some privacy. Okay, whole day we are not thinking lots of things, but night when we are sitting quiet, yes, suddenly all the things are coming in our mind. So it is giving us privacy. Privacy means a state in which one is not distributed by other people. Privacy, you know, usual privacy. So a state, yes, in which one is not disturbed by other people. So here nobody will come and disturb you. This night it is giving us privacy. Yes or no? And gives you time to go to sleep. Even it gives time to go to sleep. If night is not there means what? You people will not sleep. Yes. So you have to continue. Just have to sit as it is. So it helps. It let us to go and sleep. And it provides a place to hide or weep. Hide means you can hide. Yes, under the any or one side of any corner of your house. Even weep means if you are feeling very bad, so you can sit on a corner and you can cry. Yes or no? So here this night, this darkness is giving chance to hide you. Even it's giving chance to cry by sitting alone. It cannot help but be around when basely things make basely sound. See, it cannot help out, be around. It cannot, this darkness, it cannot help us to be around. It is not being with us. But when basely things means what? Unpleasant things. Okay, here I will write unpleasant things. If you have sad, then what will you do? Yes, you can sit a corner, you can think, you can cry alone. So it's when the bestly things, unpleasant things is going to happen in your life, so it makes bestly sound. Bestly sound means like see animal, they are making sound, yes or no? So like that sound. When back doors slams and windows creak, when cats have flights and voices shriek, and you can hear the sound of the back doors, of the slam and windows creak. Creak means here, creak and shriek means this poet creates a creepy efforts by spelling the words this way. Okay, sound, it is different kind of sound, effect. Creepy shrieky means it is effect. It is effect by spelling the words. Creep, creak, okay, sound it is, creak. So windows and doors, they are going to slam and even close, open. This voice you can clearly hear. Even you can hear the cats fights. Okay, in night they are fighting or no. Even you can hear their voice also, shriek, like shriek voice. It is also voice, shriek and creak. Got it? So the dark is cozy, still and calm, and never does you any harm. This dark is cozy. Cozy means what? That which what you feel comfortable and relaxed. So cozy means feeling relaxation. Yes, I will write here. Cozy means feel comfortable and relax. So this night is giving chance to feel cozy, relax, okay, and calm. Calm means silent and never does you any harm. And this dark, it will not harm to you. In the loft below and sink, it's somewhere nice and quiet to think. And in the loft means snow. When you are constructing the building, it will be a loft in your room. So loft means what here told? Loft. So in building, see here, a space at the top of building. Space at the top of building. So it helps you, yes, when darkness is there, it helps you to hide under the corner. Yes, and even below the sink, your wash basin sink, below the sink you can see the darkness. You can hide there, you can go there. Yeah, and it's somewhere nice and quiet to think. And here it's very nice. It's something very nice. Yes, you nobody can see you. You can sit there nicely and quietly, and you can think. So you can think your inner feeling. Deep in cupboards and pockets too, it's always lurking out of view. Deep in the cupboard. So when you are opening the cupboard, you can see deep in the cupboard. Yes, cupboard. So we can't see in the cupboard, yes or no? So like that. And even pockets too. Pockets. In pockets also, darkness is there. So it always lurking out of view. Always lurking. Lurking means what here? Waiting and moving in a secret way. Lurking, waiting, and moving in a secret way. Yes? So it helps you to make a secret. And why won't it come out till it's night? And why this darkness does not come out? Okay? Till it's night. Perhaps the dark's afraid of light. And perhaps means maybe this darkness is afraid of light. Because when light is there, darkness will not come. Yes, but when light is not there, darkness will come automatically. Got it? So this is about dark. Dark means sleep is also very important. Darkness is also important. Got it? So this poet, he explained very sweet poem. Hope you all understood. Once again I will read. Yes. Why are we so afraid of the dark? It doesn't bite and doesn't bark, or chase old ladies round the park, or steal your sweeties for a lark. And though it might not let you see, it lets you have some privacy, and gives you time to go to sleep, provides a place to hide or weep. It cannot help but be around when bestly things make bestly sound. when back door slams and windows creak, when cats have fights and voices shriek. The dark is cozy, still and calm, and never does you any harm. In the loft below the sink, it's somewhere nice and quiet to think. Deep in cupboards, pockets too, it's always lurking out of view. Why won't it come out till it's night? Perhaps the dark's afraid of light. So what you have to do? See here, we completed our the second poem. So just watch this video thoroughly and write down difficult words with its meaning. Yes? Okay. Thank you.